have you guys seen my dog? Vous avez vu mon chien? J'ai perdu mon chien. I lost my dog and I can't find him. Have you seen him? Tu as vu? Où est mon chien? Où est mon chien? Where is my dog? Huh. Woof, 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 woof. Hey, did you hear a woof? Did you hear a ruff or a woof like a dog? Tu as écouté un ruff ou un woof? Tu as écouté parler le chien? I thought I heard a woof in here. J'ai écouté un woof comme un chien. Tu vois mon chien? Do you see my dog? I can't find him anywhere. Where could he be? Hey, you guys found my dog. Thank you. Vous avez trouvé mon chien. Voilà mon chien. Merci beaucoup. That reminds me of a book. A book called Où est mon chien? Have you heard of it before? Où est mon chien? Where's my dog? I'll put my dog right here for now. Où est mon chien? And look, it's a book that you can touch. Où est mon chien? Where is my dog? Ce n'est pas mon chien. Sa queue est trop pelucheuse. That's not my dog. Her tail is too plush or too fluffy. And now I can feel how fluffy it is. Can you? Ce n'est pas mon chien. Ses pattes sont trop bosselées. That's not my dog. Its paws are too bumpy. Oh, look how bumpy they are. I can feel how bumpy they are. Ce n'est pas mon chien. Son collier est trop brillant. That's not my dog. Its collar is too shiny. Oh, I can see how shiny it is. It feels different too. Look how shiny. Ooh, my dog's not that shiny. Ce n'est pas mon chien. Ses oreilles sont trop touffues. That's not my dog. Its ears are too fluffy. Too shaggy, really. These are some shaggy ears. My dog's ears are not that shaggy. C'est mon chien. Son nez est si doux. That's my dog. His nose is so soft. He's got a very soft nose. I like this book. The end. See? Kind of looks like it too. That's my dog. That's my dog.